From the graph, we see that the power is not zero when M is zero. This shows that thermal energy is lost to the environment even when the rate of flow is zero because the temperature of the water is higher than that of the environment. The equation P equal to mc delta theta plus h, where m is the mass of water flowing through the tube per unit time. M is not the mass, but the mass of water flowing through the tube per unit time. Rearranging the equation, and from the graph of m against p, the gradient will be 1 over 1 divided by c delta theta, and the y-intercept is h divided by c delta theta. So using 2 points on the graph, we are able to calculate the gradient and find the specific capacity to be 4190 joules per kg per Kelvin. The specific capacity and the temperature difference are still the same. Hence, the gradient will still be the same. The apparatus is now at a higher temperature, so the rate of heat loss will be larger. Note that h is a loss, hence it is a negative number. Therefore, the y-intercept will be more negative.